Okay, here's the intro for the Kickstarter I wrote. Ready? My name is Stu. I choose shoes to chew. I'm a dog that digs deep. This is my fair-weathered cat friend, Duck. Our owner's name is Dick. Dick, Duck, and I dig PetCube Bites.
And PetCube Play.
And PetCube Play.
And our human's name is Betty.
See, this is why every morning Betty leaves us alone forever in the apartment and spends all day thinking about never coming back. It's because of your attitude.
Yeah, okay.
What do you have?
Easy. Love treats and lasers? Introducing the groundbreaking treat camera, PetCube Bites, and an interactive camera with built-in laser toy, PetCube Play. And then you do something stupid and I show how each of them works. Are those shoes?
Betty leaves shoes to chew, calls them Jimmy Chews.
Drop the shoes, Stu.
Oh, did I not mention PetCube Bites delivers clear 1080p HD wide-angle view picture and digital zoom, two-way audio to hear and speak, sound and motion notifications, night vision, and last but not least, a treat dispenser. Breaking new ground achieved through design and engineering, PetCube Bites gamifies the treat experience with pull and fire physics-based action. And it comes in 3 colors: silver, rose gold, and black. What's your favorite color, Stu?
All of them.
What about PetCube Play, the next generation of the award-winning PetCube camera? It comes in 3 colors too. Redesigned from the ground up, features also include crystal clear HD, digital zoom, amazing camera in low light and no light conditions, and a laser pointer to play with. With increased accuracy and responsiveness, the laser toy delivers even more fun day or night.
Duck, there's someone at the door.
Let Betty get it, I'm a bit busy.
Shoot them, Stu.
Good boy, Stu. A bark heard around the world. Literally, thanks to PetCube Care, a new cloud recording service that works with all PetCube devices. I'm talking about sound and motion triggered recording with 10 or 30 days of cloud storage. Betty can check my glorious moves and see if Stu is buried between the couch cushions again. The PetCube app lets Betty remotely control all of her devices.
Friends and family too get to play with Stu. That's true. Are we through?
No, cue the PetCube founders saying,
We're excited to bring PetCube Bites and PetCube Play to the Kickstarter community first. With these interactive pet cameras that were designed specifically for pets and their parents, we are reimagining pet care and we invite you to join.
Our goal is to bring people closer to their pets so they're always together and never apart. We have a talented team of product designers, engineers, creatives to make the magic happen from the inside out.
We began our journey on Kickstarter in 2013. PetCube would not be possible without you. We're excited to come home to bring our new products to you first. Join us and thank you for all your support.
yes.
And then I do another trick to show how much we need and appreciate our backers.
Okay, go ahead.
Was it amazing?
Yes.
such a good girl.
Sadie, can you sit?
Good girl. You want a treat?
Pet Chats let you be there with your pet from anywhere. Dispense an all-natural treat. Be a part of their day. Never miss a moment with Pet Chats.